This is how the building of ponds and terraces is turning a hazard into a resource. In Timor-Leste, climate change is depleting freshwater sources, forcing children to walk long distances in search of water. An innovative project supported by UNICEF and partners works with local communities to build structures, helping reduce flooding and erosion and storing water closer to people's homes.
Kami vele acesso babemos, compara ao tempo uluk, lihusi atividade da captação B, agora da B aumenta, a minha matan mas B aumenta para B, kata mi vele acesso babemos.
It's one of the most cost-effective ways to secure safe water for rural communities in Timor-Leste, and one which works in harmony with nature to ensure sustainable water for generations to come.